What's up, guys? We got another video going on. This is my brother's Trans Am. He recently just bought a two-step MSD box, plug and play. There's the part number. And the goal for today is to get this installed. I'm probably not gonna be recording most of it, but there will be photos, just because we're running out of sunlight. So trying to get this knocked out, and yeah, let's see how it sounds. Alright guys, so we got it all wired up. Well, not wired up, it's all plugged in, it's all plug and play. So that side's on there, that side's on there. The longer side obviously goes to the opposite side of the box. We just got some Gorilla tape, taped it on here. Is it gonna last? I don't know. If anything, we can just use one of the self tappers there and we should be good. But yeah, zip tied all alongside the cables of the cruise control. Tucked away as nicely as we can, and then we got our power reference from the clutch signal wire, which is a blue cable up top, blue connector up top, number 32, and it's gray, and this was supplied by MSD. So just tapped into it, you get your 12 volts from here, goes from there to here and to here, and this is for if you want to wire it up to like a switch ground. So yeah, we have it set at 3,500 right now. We did try out 1,500 initially, and that thing was hilarious. But yeah, next thing to do would be an oil catch can. Go there, we have it already, just gotta install it. All right.